Hello students, today I am going to explain new concept for the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10th maths. So you have done two methods, two concepts to solve the equations, like you have done substitution method, then you have done elimination method, and in last video I have given you exercise 3.3 and 3.4 also of NCERT book. These questions you have to do in your notebooks. Now today I am going to explain new concept to solve the questions, that is cross multiplication method. Now here cross multiplication method. So to solve a pair of linear equations by cross multiplication method, we use the following steps. So how you will use these following steps? Step 1 is write down the given pair of linear equations in the form of, like we have 3x plus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. So what are the a1, b1 and c1? These are the coefficients of equation number 1, and a2, b2, c2, these are the coefficients and constant of equation number 2. So you have to write in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now next step, that is write the coefficients with the column y, constant terms, coefficients of x, and repeating with that of y as shown below. Now from these equations you will be getting the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, and now you have to write in this form b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2 and b1, b2. Is it clear? Now next step, step 3. Now write the coefficients of x and y, x, y and 1 in the following manner. So how you will write? X upon b1, b2, c1, c2 is equal to y upon c1, c2, a1, a2 is equal to 1 upon a1, a2, b1, b2, and you will multiply this. Okay, b1, c2 minus b2, c1 is equal to y upon c1, a2 minus c2, a1 is equal to 1 upon a2, a1, b2 minus a2, b1. Now you will be doing in step 4. It is what you will be doing, what I told you, x upon b1, c2 minus b2, c1 is equal to y upon c1, a2 is minus c2, a1 is equal to 1 upon a1, b2 minus a2, b1. Now if you have to find the value of x, so you will hide the value of y and you will cross multiply this. You will be getting now step 5. What is the value of x? This formula, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and the value of y you will be getting from this formula, that is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And how we got it? By cross multiplication. It is called cross multiplication method. Here you have to find the value of x and y by cross multiplication method. Now we will solve one question by cross multiplication method. Now here this question is given. You can see 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, and you have to solve it by cross multiplication method. Now what is the value of a1? That is 2. Coefficient of x, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 5. Now a2 from equation number 2, coefficient of x, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to minus 8. Now what we have to do, x upon, now we have put it the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 accordingly, and you will cross multiply these values. Okay, see, is equal to y and is equal to 1 upon this. Now you will cross multiply this. You can do it directly, like 1 multiplied by minus 8 and minus in between 2 multiplied by minus 5. So what will be coming in denominator? It means x upon minus 8 minus in bracket minus 10. So you can write it directly, x upon minus 8 minus minus 10. From here y upon minus 15 minus minus 16. See, y upon minus 15 minus minus 16. Then 1 upon 4 minus 3. 1 upon 4 minus 3. Now you have got these 3 steps. Now you will solve these. It will be coming x upon minus 8 plus 10, y upon minus 15 plus 16 is equal to 1 upon 1. 4 minus 3 will be coming 1 in denominator. Now x upon 2 is equal to y upon 1 is equal to 1. Now you will compare with this to find the value of x and find the value of y. X upon 2 is equal to 1 will be coming 2. Y upon 1 is equal to 1 will be coming 1. So value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. So this question we have done by cross multiplication method. Why it is called cross multiplication method? Because here we have cross multiplied these equations, these values of coefficients. Next concept we will follow in next video. Thank you.